Welcome to Pathfinders trainings, guys. And the bearishness in the market continues. Since the start of January, we have an election coming. The market has been very volatile. And about 6 days ago, from here, the market started falling. And it has been continuously falling now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and today is the seventh day that it has continuously fallen down. And this trend line is very important. Once this trend line is broken, there are downward sides. Today it tried to close below it, but in the end, a very sharp recovery came, a short covering. And we say that the market stood around this level. So Monday would be an interesting day to see what happened and is it able to break this level, because if it breaks this level, you can see down here, this can be a good level till which the market can come here. And a lot of corrections have happened into the market, then a lot of recoveries also. For example, yesterday, Yes Bank went up almost 31%, and today it has given some of the gains. Then we also had a DHFL, which had a smart recovery yesterday, but today it has given away some of the gains. Another stock that is holding the market and supports the market a lot is Reliance Industries, and we saw today also in the end it is Reliance Industries which has been supporting the market. But Reliance is another expensive stock, and watch out for this stock. If correction starts in this stock, other corrections normally follow. TCS is another stock that has been holding the market above, and today TCS started correcting on the downward side. Started moving on the downward side. Then if I'm looking at Sensex, here Sensex is almost the same pattern. And if I come to the bank nifty, banks have been more weak. There is more weakness that is there in banks than in other ones. And watching out the banks, which was strong and now are giving away some of the gains. So if this sector starts falling down, it might take the market down with it. So that's another sector that you might be looking at here. So these are the top 10 stocks of India. Let's quickly have a look at them. HDFC, despite a good budget and despite good things for it in the budget, continues to fall. And around this level it falls down. It can go further down. We have a HDFC Bank which is holding strong. ICICI Bank has already started pushing on the downward side. Infosys, same as TCS, IT sector is strong. ITC has started correcting. Kotak Bank is, still strong, still moving on the upside. So if you note, these are the 10 stocks that are holding the market together here. Then this is the Reliance Future, which is at 1251, and today in the end it is this stock that has taken the market above. You see the very sharp rally came into this in the end, and that is what supported the market. In the end, Reliance going up, up and up. This is what has supported the market. Then Larsen & Toubro. This is another stock that has supported the market. Remains sideways. It remains sideways. Maruti, another stock which has been correcting after the bad performance of the auto sector, and after a small recovery, this one is also moving on the downside. Reliance we have just seen, and TCS we have just seen. So take care, guys. We are in a volatile market, and this market will try to balance the fundamentals and the technicals. At this time, especially in the top 10 stocks of Nifty, there is a mismatch between the fundamentals and technicals. And if profit booking continues, then we can expect some more corrections, especially in these stocks. So, uh, see you again in one more session. Trade with caution. 2019 will also give very good opportunities to buy portfolio stocks. Tonight I'll be especially talking about portfolios. Pathfinders has also launched its portfolio course from today. So to know more details, please come in the session tonight, 9 to 11, whose link is given below. Have great trading and have great investing. Bye-bye.